Welcome to this next video about how to use EyeCommander to control Grid3. I'm going to assume that you have Grid3 set up and installed on your machine and that you have experience using Grid3 before. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that EyeCommander is set to Grid3 mode. So you come into settings and you change your output to Smartbox Grid. You click Save and Close, and then it will update your output mode. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that Grid is listening to your switch outputs. So you open up your Grid, you go into Settings, and in your Access settings, you want to go to Switches, and you want to go to Connection, and you want to make sure that you're on a third-party input device. Now, every time you blink, you'll see switch 1 is activated. And it's as easy as that. And then in the rest of your settings, you can make sure switch 1 is used for your switch scanning on Grid. If you have a high blink length, you need to make sure that you decrease your switch scanning speed so that a user has the time to react. That's how to use EyeCommander to control Grid3.